Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of All Things Cut and Craft. I'm Abiola. You are absolutely welcome. If you are new to this channel and if you are watching from Facebook, you are most welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am actually grateful. So today we are going to be making a cup, and today's project is a very special one and you'll get to see that. So if you are interested in what I am making today, keep watching, don't go anywhere, and I will be back shortly. So this is the mug, and it's actually a tea mug gotten from Amazon. I will add the link in the description. It has an infuser and it also has a lid. This is so perfect for you making tea and then covering it so it doesn't get cold too fast. So I have it in pink and in blue. So this is how it looks like. So we are going to be writing something on this. I quickly get my tablet and go and open the Cricut. Then you start setting it up for it to cut what you are going to be placing on the mug. So this is vinyl. So you use vinyl on cups. So vinyl is about $2.49. So as you can see, $2.49. So I choose to use this patterned vinyl, flower patterned vinyl. I'll be cutting about 2 inches out for this cup. So if you need some of the supplies, I'll be adding it in the description box, so do it to check it out. So use the links at no additional cost to you. So I'll be using a standard grip mat, and this is the green mat right there. Then I'll just place the pattern side up. For vinyl, you place the pattern side up, while for iron-on it's the pattern side down, or the shiny side. Anyone applicable to what you're doing. And I'll send this to the machine. And I already have my design on the tablet. I already have the design on the tablet. I'll just send it right away. That's my design, so you'll see it when it comes out clearly. So I'll just send it to the machine and it will cut for me. So while the machine is doing its job, I will go ahead and prepare other materials. This is called transfer tape, and I'll be using this to transfer the cord to the mug. So this is very sticky, so it will lift the cord from the original backing. Then I will place it on the mug. So I will just cut out about the same inches I cut for the vinyl, which is about 2 inches. Then I will set it aside until the cut is done. So I will also clean the surface of the mug with alcohol just to remove any dirt that may be on the surface of the mug. The cut is done, then I unload the mat, so you may not see clearly, but when I start removing the part I do not want, then it will reveal the ones I want. At this point, I want to use weeder. It has a very sharp tip, and I will just be using it to lift the vinyl at that edge right there. Then I will just remove that part that I don't want in the project. I'll also be picking out some other tiny parts that I need to get out of the cord, so I'll get a clean cord to put on the mug. Also remove the letters in the other one, the letters in the middle now. Then after removing it, I place it on this speaker just to avoid wastage. And after then, I pick out the backing of the transfer tape, then I place it on the cord, so this will lift the cord from the white backing you can see. So I press it down very well with the scraper, then it will get the cut out for me. Then I peel the transfer tape again. The transfer tape now will now have the cut. So after this, I will place it on the mug that I have already prepared with alcohol wipes, so just to clean any dirt on it. So this is what I do. After then, just place it, make sure it's straight and accurate, and just place it on the cup or mug like so. Then I will also use the scraper to make sure that it's sticking to the cup very well. Then after then, I will start peeling the transfer tape from the cut from the design, and then it will have this on the mug. And this is a temporary way of customizing mugs, and there are a couple of ways you can make this last longer. You can put Mod Podge and some other things just to make this last longer, and this doesn't go into the microwave, it doesn't go into the oven because of what is placed on it. They call it vinyl, as I've mentioned earlier. And there are ways that you can also customize mugs which is permanent, so we'll be exploring this later in subsequent videos. So I'll also do the same to the other mug by repeating this process, and I hope that you enjoy this video. So you'll find link in the description where you can purchase some of these Cricut supplies. As a beginner, if you have any question whatsoever, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section or send a DM. I'll be there to respond to all your questions. And this is the final look. As you can see, it came out really nice, and for some time you can enjoy a customized cup. Yeah, so that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please, if you enjoy what you see, give it a like, and if you want to see more, subscribe, join the family, and be a member of this family. You won't regret it. Next week, we are going to be customizing another set of cups, so do well to watch out, and for you not to miss this, you have to subscribe. Yes, subscribe, and I will really appreciate you joining the family. To leave your comment if you have any questions. I am right in the comment area to respond to them. Thank you so much once again. I can't appreciate you enough. So this is your crafty friend telling you to create your own happiness because it's in your hands. See you in the next video. Bye.